Come, let me teach you how to make Oha soup. Some people call it Ora, some people call it Oha. Either way, it is correct. Some make it with palm fruits, while some make with palm oil. The difference is, personally, I prefer palm fruits. As far as you have the thickener, we arrive at the same result. Yes, after washing my palm fruit, I make sure I extract the juice very, very well. If you watch the energy I'm using to do it, I'm doing this because palm fruit is very expensive in the city where I live. After extracting it, I sieved it into the pot and put it on the gas. I went straight to wash my okporoko head. Personally, this okporoko head, the aroma it gives to food, I like it kind of, but I'm not an okporoko fan, you know. So after washing the okporoko head, that is Stockfish Head, I went ahead and I put it inside the boiling extracted palm fruit juice. I went ahead to wash my dry fish. What is Oha soup without dry fish? That soup will not make sense, so it's a must. I washed my fish, I added to it. This is my blended crayfish. The lighting was too much, that is why it's that bright. I added my pepper, I added my salt, my seasoning cube, everything. I gave it a stir. I allowed it to boil. After it boiled for a while, I realized the salt was not okay. I adjusted. That white thing you see inside, cocoyam, is a thickener. There are two types of cocoyam. One is the one for soup, the other one is what you can eat like yam. Then I added my ogiri. Ogiri is a native seasoning. You can't make Oha soup or bitter leaf soup without ogiri. The taste will not be there. After adding those ones, if you notice, the boiling of the soup has changed. It has thickened. Now I'm adding my meat. I've already boiled this meat. It was in the freezer. I added my meat. This is cow head. After adding it, I gave it a stir. This is the remaining momo. That was cow skin that I had in the fridge before I added it. I will tell you the story of this Oha soup much later. After adding, I tasted for salt. I needed to adjust my salt. This is Chefbad soup condiment. This is a game changer. You have to be generous with it in your soup because it's natural. After adding it, I gave it a stir. You see this, my finger must taste too. I went ahead to add the Oha leaf. Some people add little Oha to Oha soup. Personally, if I'm eating Oha soup without plenty Oha leaf inside, it makes no sense. No. My Oha must be very thick. Look at the soup is ready. It's giving. Will you tell me what you will swallow with? That is Uziza Leaf. The Uziza leaves gives it a very special aroma. Our soup is ready. It will just heat for a little while and you bring it down. Is it not appetizing? Please tell me, what will you swallow this with? Personally, I swallow tamba, pari, or oatmeal. Anything can go. Some prefer fufu. My Oha soup is ready. I'm dishing out the one my mom would carry home when she's leaving. She actually requested for this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Because Cook with the Lawyer's Recipe is a channel where you will learn. This is just legalized cooking because it is being cooked by lawyer. Hit the subscribe button and notification button so that whenever I post, you will be the first to get notification. I love you all. For returning subscribers, drop a comment so that I can give you a hug, a beautiful hug. This soup The environment is already bulalaying. Oh my God, the soup is. I can't just wait to start eating it. My children love Ora soup so much.